He is Kukkar Kamalda. He's smoking hot. He can act. And a couple of people have fainted in the back room. So is he the student of the year or is he a Vela? We will decide together. Here we have for you Siddharth Malhotra. Guys, do you know why he's Kukkar Kamalda? Because he's a Delhi boy. So are there any Delhi boys out there who think they are Kukkar Kamalda? Then they can come up and dance with Siddharth. Okay, the girls, they're not Kukkar. What is the female form of Kukkar? Murgi. Okay, so couple of Murgis and couple of Kukkars. Okay, so 3 from there and 3 from here, please.
What's up, Delhi? So, who are the chicks and Kukkars who are coming on stage?
No, this is too much. This is too much, please. Okay, this is too much. Please get back. Back.
What's up?
Okay, security alert. Hello. Excuse me. Okay. What's going on? What is the security now?
What's up, guys? Are you guys having fun?
Okay. Listen.
Okay, so which one of you know the Disco Divane step?
Off stage.
We should make her dance today also. Do you know the Disco Divane step?
I'm totally dancing the Disco Divane.
Oh, lovely.
With you.
Come on, that's totally, we've remixed from your generation.
Okay, done. So, okay, Siddharth is too hot. We can't have anyone on stage because you guys are not following the rules. This stage is not made for more than, 8 people. Come on, guys. Off stage. He has to take a flight.
Are we standing or sitting?
No, we stand. We stand on the stand. In 2 minutes. So, we're just going to try and calm down. Should we not talk to Siddharth? Should we all just stare at him? Siddharth, this is really
I
easy.
love that. This is my
We don't
hometown.
have
I
to
can just
talk.
stay here. I used to stay here, yeah. So I have no problems. But I think she has a couple of questions for us to talk.
Okay, wait, guys, we're coming to it.
Yeah.
So, okay. Siddharth, what's Bombay like?
Oh, Bombay is nothing like Delhi, so I miss Delhi. And because of you guys, I grew up here. I went to college just like you guys. We've done enough Madar Gashti and bunking in Bhagat Singh University, Delhi University. Is anybody from Bhagat Singh here? Are there any Bhagat Singh boys? क्या हाल है भाइयों? What's up? They're true Bhagat Singh boys. अभी ये लोग कॉलेज में नहीं यहाँ पे हैं.
Today is Saturday.
But we still used to have some half classes on Saturday. I think that's changed. But anyways, yeah, Bombay is nothing like Delhi. Yeah? Because of this, because of the enthusiasm, I think दिल्ली की एक खास बात है यहाँ पे जो लड़कियाँ और I think yeah, लड़कियाँ, the culture, the खाना, the घूमना फिरना, the college culture हमारे यहाँ पे जो campus है. Yeah, I basically miss Delhi. Yeah, मेरा मन कर रहा है कि यहाँ पे आके रहूँ, वापस shift करूँ. But sadly, my work pressurizes me to shift in Bombay. So if I had my way, I would have stayed here. But Delhi is still my hometown. I'm a Delhi boy at heart and miss it and love it. Yeah.
So I want to talk to you a little bit about where you've come from, because what you see in front of you is super successful actor, but actually Siddharth has been through a lot of failure. He's picked himself up many times and then come to this spot. So when you turned up for the first men's health shoot, actually you didn't make it. Right?
Oh, yeah, I know.
Guys,
the
you want to
people
listen to this? I'm not calling anyone else on stage unless you settle down.
Who's seen my men's health cover? Any of the girls seen it? Do you remember? Have I done one of them or two of them? Oh, not bad. अभी गाना गाएंगे ना भाई, अभी आएंगे रुक जाओ पे. So yeah, as she said, we did two of them, and I mean, I'm not showing it right now, but I'm just saying.
showing
I'm saying
it
we
right
just said
now.
two one right now.
It's coming up.
I was एक ज़माना था, but I think what all of you have to learn, the point she's trying to come up with, that we all have also faced rejection. I actually auditioned. I did it 3 times, and the first time I never got selected in that men's health cover when I was modeling. Second time they posted, and then the third time they asked me to come on board because I was an actor. So things change, people change. I think if you wish for it, will for it, anything can happen. Yeah, just dream big and don't think small. Just because Delhi is far off from other things, and maybe the entertainment business or movie business, doesn't mean you guys or you girls can't make it there.
But is it just willpower then?
Sorry?
Is it just willpower? Stop making eyes at them, Siddharth.
I can't help it.
Having a
I'm
tough
just very,
time
very
controlling
excited.
them.
Yeah.
Is it just willpower and hard work?
Give
some real tips, okay? Because
I
these are
think-
real people going out into real lives now.
I think the real tip would be, or really, I think I come from a very middle class upbringing, which makes you very pragmatic, and we tend to be very safe in our future. We tend to be very safe in what we believe in, what we want to be in, because I think that's the kind of upbringing and culture we have. So I think breaking the mold from where you've come from is not a bad thing, and having an inner voice and conviction. And definitely you need a tunnel vision to do something. I think, I don't know what fields everybody else wants to be in, but I have no such background from the industry. Nobody even close to my दूर के रिश्तेदारों में से कोई film industry में से नहीं है. And as I said, I think if I were thought like them, I would have still stayed in Delhi and done some work. I think it comes from a thinking which might sound a little unrealistic or stupid to them when you're growing up कि मुझे actor बनना है. But why not? I think if you dream big, that's the beginning, right?
Guys, I need you to settle down, please, now. This is disrespectful. Please, silence.
सिद्धार्थ एक बार प्यार से कह देंगे तो everybody would be
क्या
seated.
बात है?
सिद्धार्थ, if you can just raise
मेरी
your
बात
Guys
तो कोई नहीं सुनेगा।
and girls, we'll chat. Can we chat right now and quietly? I'll answer any questions you guys have, and then we'll get to the disco. Do you guys have any questions?
उनको बड़ी रिश्वत देनी पड़ेगी. Okay, the bribe is be seated. We'll dance together then. Please be seated right away, please.
So ambition and hard work, will, staying there is important. But, you know, you're very good looking. So that's going to open many doors as well. Did it?
I think looks, of course, I was in the modeling field for that. I got selected in for elite modeling agency through when I was in college and I went for a particular scouting party. But yeah, looks do come in handy. Also, I feel you become better looking the more successful you are.
Yeah, that's
So
true.
that changes a lot of things. And I was not so good looking maybe when I was in college. And suddenly when I'm doing well in movies, I'm becoming better and better.
So are you finding old friends getting back in touch and saying, hey, Siddharth?
I never lost touch with my old friends. I have very thick, close set of friends since I know them since school and my colony friends. I believe in quality over quantity. So I think it's not about how many 50, 100 friends you have. It's about those 5 friends that you can count on anything in your life. So yeah, and just like anything else, so they never changed. I don't expect them to change, and they're my friends because they don't change. But yeah.
So is there a girl you hit on in college who didn't react back? Because she is regretting it now.
Well, I hope so. Better that's payback time. So now I've got the last laugh. But anyways, yeah, of course. I was a regular college student, and you know, I had my share of rejections, had my share of doing regular fun stuff, bunking college, flunking college. And yeah, so I have my share of rejections also. Girls have rejected me on various fronts. Sometimes I misbehaved, sometimes it's my fault. Sometimes they just couldn't see through this.
So is there a male casting couch in Bollywood?
Well, it is, I think it's very passé. I think you can't, now that the dynamics have changed so much that if somebody puts money on you for the wrong reason, it shows. I think even if you would want to go through a certain different route, it will only get you to that one particular project. I think after that, everyone's on their own merit. I can get, you know, even if I have the best launch in the world, which was like, say, Student of the Year. Whatever I do after that is purely on merit base. Nobody's going to give you a second film if you're not worth it and if they don't feel that you're apt for it.
Has anyone made you an indecent proposal?
Yes, of course, in the modeling fraternity. We have a lot of indecent proposals, I think, which come away. But luckily for me, it came from women also, so it's slightly older. So I thought about it when I was like 20 years old. You know, everything goes and you want to experiment. But yeah, I didn't act upon it, guys. So I just thought about it.
Absolutely perfect then to make you an indecent proposal.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, really?
Can we see your six-pack?
Can I see? I have ordered them. वो अगले साल में आ जाएंगे. So तब I'll come back on the same stage and I'll show it to you. Or I will send you my Men's Health cover. That was the best shape.
So there's no six-pack under there?
There is no six-pack. There's only one pack.
Let's see the one pack.
See, I believe in quality. So if I want to show anything to the girls, it should be the best.
Are you conscious when you take your clothes off?
Not at all. I've been used to it, but obviously not in front of so many people.
Do you think of yourself as an item boy? Because this is a new thing, right? First, the heroines used to be objectified, and now the heroes are being objectified. And you're quite an item boy. Does that make you feel good or bad or?
See, we're in the entertainment business, so whatever sells. We're not claiming to be anything profound. Every project is different. Every item is different. If you feel it's your money's worth to come and see it, as long as we're not offending people, I think, yeah, anything goes.
Do you feel shy or conscious when you're doing an item number?
I don't know what item number A you're talking about. I have not done...
when you're showing your six-packs and your muscles and... That's
not an item song. I think that's just a body shot. I'm fine. I'm pretty much... I've been doing Men's Health covers since I was 20. So today I'm a decade later. And yeah, I think body show, I've been into fitness. I got into fitness because I was unemployed in Bombay and nothing else to do. So gym became my best friend. And I kept working out and got into fitness, and it purely helps me right now even when I don't work out.
So is anyone getting access to this beautiful you? Are you in a relationship?
Well,
there's been so much talk about you in a relationship. I didn't say it, but I'm hearing from the audience.
Yeah.
Alia Bhatt.
Of course. Of course, me and Alia, you don't hear it. But of course, me and Alia have been seeing a lot of each other. We sung a lot of Hindi film songs and shot in the mountains in Kapoor and Sons. So, which a film we shot. So yeah, you could say that I've been seeing a lot of her recently.
Wow. So you're actually going to get the girl in real life as well, not just in the movie.
Well, I don't know. You'll find out. I'm just saying. I just shot a real life with her for about 2 months in Kunur, and it was a great experience. And I know Alia since student of the year, and yeah.
So
nothing else
let's
to it.
celebrate that. We're going to do Disco Divane. All of you are going to do it in your seat. And Siddharth's going to lead Disco Divane from here. So please stand up, get ready.
So all of you know the steps.
Something very special. Something about the way you move that thing. Something very special. Something about the way you look at me.
Everybody knows the hook steps.
Yeah, there's something about tonight. Something very special.
Since you said you know the hook steps, so why don't you come up front and it's your generation kind of thing.
There's something about tonight. Something very special. Something about the way you move that thing. Something very special. Yeah, there's something about tonight. Something very special. Here we go.
सारी की सारी दुनिया भुला के मैं तो तेरे नाल नचना.
Baby, you so sexy.
Boy, you could be my one and only. मैं तो तेरे नाल नचना. Then I see you looking at me. आजा बात कर दिल की. होने लगेंगे अफसाने.
You know it, so sing it. Now throw your hands up and say. Something about tonight. Something very special. Something about the way you move that thing. Something very special.
हो है ना मुझ पे नजर तेरी. आंखों ही आंखों में बातें होती है. आजा बाहों में आओ मेरी. ऐसे ही तो रातें शुरू होती है. कभी कभी पलों पर में यूं ऐसी वैसी बातें होती है. तुझी मुलाकातों में मिल जाते हैं ज़माने.
Okay, you're going to love this person even more than you do now. He says he's not having any fun just dancing with me. But security, can we have 6 people from there and 6 people from here?
कल किस किस ने करवा चौथ रखा है सिद्धार्थ के लिए लड़कियां? Or we're going to have some cookers and cookadies. We have got cookadies. Can we have some cookers? Only 3, only 3.
That's it, that's it.
So we have one cooker. और बाकी लोग
So Siddharth, what are you dancing to now? Disco Divane again? Or Radha? Or Vela?
Radha on the dance floor. Radha on the dance floor. Can we have that song? Radha on the dance floor.
रास रचैया राधा ना जाए रे
राधा बनो यार, राधा, कम ऑन राधा.
बाबरा ना भाए रे
You've got this opportunity to be Radha for Siddharth.
Radha on the dance floor, Radha like to party, Radha like to move that sexy Radha body. Radha on the dance floor, Radha like to party, Radha like to move that sexy Radha body. पंखट पे आके सैया मरोड़े भैया, and everybody plays it on Radha. छेड़े हैं हमका दैया, बेरी कन्हैया, and everybody plays it on Radha. होगा वो लाखों दिल का चोर, हमका तो लगे बोर, हुआ है ऐसे बाबला जो कहता जाए.
ओ राधा तेरी चुनरी, ओ राधा तेरा चल्ला, ओ राधा तेरी नटखट नजरिया, ओ राधा तेरा झुमका, ओ राधा तेरा झुमका, ओ पीछे पीछे सारी नगरिया. ओ राधा तेरी चुनरी, ओ राधा तेरा चल्ला, ओ राधा तेरी नटखट नजरिया, ओ राधा तेरा झुमका, ओ राधा तेरा झुमका, ओ पीछे पीछे सारी नगरिया.
Radha on the dance floor, Radha like to party, Radha like to move that sexy Radha body. माथे पे पंख मोर कहते हैं माखन चोर, बजाए बांसुरी बड़ाया टिक टोर. बजाना once more, ढूंढूंगी चारों ओर, मिलेगा कोई और, दूंगी मैं हाथों में मेरे दिल की ये डोर. बजाना once more.
ओ राधा राधा भोली दीवानी है, ओ राधा राधा को पल जवानी है, ओ राधा को संभालो कोई इसे बता दो कि मिलेगा न कोई सवरिया. ओ राधा तेरी चुनरी, ओ राधा तेरा चल्ला, ओ राधा तेरी नटखट नजरिया.
All right, thank you guys. That was lovely to all the Radhas. Give a big round of applause, guys, to the ladies here and the
Okay,
two
thank
cookers
you.
who have disappeared. Hello. Yes, you can. So can I. Super. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Love you. Come on.
Come on, come on. So Siddharth, you're playing a boxer in your latest movie that you just finished.
ब्रदर्स में आ रहे हैं अक्षय कुमार के छोटे भाई बने थे, बड़े अच्छे घूसे मारते हैं. किसी को घूसा खाना है दूर से, बुराई के लिए अभी दशहरा गया ना भाई, तो बुराई के लिए एक बार जरा पंच हो जाए जोर से. मैं नहीं हूं, मतलब उस तरफ.
ए भाइयों और उनकी बहनों, अच्छा, so ये मुझसे कुछ प्रश्न पूछना चाहती है. हाँ, करेक्ट. मैं होस्ट करना शुरू कर रहा हूँ कि इनको वेलकम करिए आज आपके स्टेज पे. Okay, guys, do we have anything else you want to?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So, okay, let's try. Let's try listening for a bit. Let's try listening for a bit. You guys have any questions?
A boxing tip to the girls maybe. A boxing tip tips to the girls.
A boxing tip to the girls.
Yeah, if they have to punch.
Well, girls, go for the lower area.
Not mine.
Always aim below the belt. That's the best and safest
Siddharth,
place.
excuse me, how do you punch somebody like this? Like, I'm sorry, this is a
Well,
crappy
now she
tip.
wants a demo. Aajo, yeah, aaja bhai, aaja.
आ जाओ किसको आना है यहाँ पे?
Aaja.
Who wants to
So, I
come
will
in?
show you.
मैंने मन चलो वाली हरकत कोई करी नहीं, but if in case, you know, seriously.
No, but for women, especially for Delhi girls, I think for their safety and for your protection, I think the first and foremost thing is please don't panic if somebody misbehaves, because if you get shocked and panicked, nothing is not going to help you at all. I think the first foremost thing to be calm in the head. Think about screaming if you can't do anything else. I think
Show us the
being
screaming.
self-aware.
Show us the screaming.
They all are screaming for Siddharth.
Perfect. If you scream like this, मैं क्या कोई भी लड़का भाग जाएगा. So perfect. They don't need any punching or
So
kicking.
the top tip is, if someone's misbehaving with you, imagine it's Siddharth and just scream.
Yeah, but that might lead to some other wrong things also. That might be inviting. But on a serious note, I think girls, please don't take any shit and don't really get consumed by that day. Do not panic. First thing, if you can make noise. If not make noise, start kicking and punching and run. Look for help. Yeah.
गौर से देखिए इस चेहरे को. इसने बहुत लड़कियों के दिल चुरा लिया आज ही आज में. तो एक बार फिर से निहार लो, एक बार चीख लो इनके लिए. And be prepared for Kapoor and Sons.
Siddharth, when you go on a date, does the girl just scream? Or is there some conversation as well?
Oh, there is lots of conversation. I love having one-on-one conversations, talking about my life, their life. I think, yeah,
Are you
I'm
a
totally a
deep
conversationalist. Huh?
Are you a deep person? Do you
Am
think
I a
lot?
deep person? I think that's for you to decide. I find it extremely odd when you talk about your whole self and personalities. I am many more things that I come across as. I think it's, yeah, this is only the beginning. There's so many more sides to me that you girls haven't seen. So hopefully in years to come and movies to come.
Show us.
Hopefully in years to come and in movies to come, you'll see many more sides.
Can we also listen to a song maybe? प्यार मोहब्बत से भरा हुआ, मिठास से भरा हुआ. That'll be a compensatory thing for the girls maybe. Those who have not been able to come on the stage, that'll be a compensation for them.
A song. Well,
Galiyan? Can you sing
Galiyan,
Galiyan?
Galiyan.
okay. Okay, so this is to, A, I'm not a professional singer. B, yeah, I think that's what it is to know. And B, this is only for the girls. And this is for the Delhi streets and Galiyan that I've spent years and years walking around, chasing girls, running around. Okay, so here goes a track, right, which you probably have heard. Which I'm only going to say the hook line, all right? तेरी गलियां गलियां तेरी गलियां मुझको भावे गलियां तेरी गलियां गलियां तेरी गलियां यूं ही तड़पावे गलियां तेरी गलियां Well, for now, this is all there is. Thank you, girls. Thank you. And some boys also got excited when I sang Galiya. So, take away, Roy. But, thank you, guys. Love Delhi's energy.
Acha, is there a possibility, if you can pick one girl and if she can dance with you, Ishq Wala Love? It's a very difficult task for you, I know. Or you can imagine me as a girl if you want to. One girl. You need to pick one girl.
I can't possibly pick from all the wonderful girls here. Why don't you do the picking?
Just pick the one that's closest, Siddharth.
Oh, yeah. She's right here. I can't possibly pick from such wonderful and sweet ladies here. And that's why I go with this one. And
I'll sing for you. I'll sing for you both here.
okay, come. So this, all you girls can and live this dance through her.
Alia's not going to kill me, right?
Oh, Alia, who?
Not even allowed back in Bombay, my friend.
सुर्ख वाला सोज वाला कैसे वाला ला होता है जो लव से ज्यादा ऐसे वाला लव इश्क वाला लव अगर ये उसको भी हुआ है फिर भी मुझको ज्यादा हुआ इश्क वाला लव अगर ये उसको भी हुआ है फिर भी मुझको ज्यादा हुआ इश्क वाला लव भाई निचोड़ दिया आपने निचोड़ गई है वो
This is Ishq Wala Love, especially for Delhi walas. So, are you okay? Chakkar aa rahe?
No, I'm totally
Pani
dizzy.
cheers.
Hold on to me, otherwise I will fall.
Nana cheers.
Now this is what every girl is feeling.
Aa jao, yahan
Alina.
बैठ.
Okay, I was in the news business, but I'm going home with Siddharth, guys. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Delhi.
She's taking a flight back with me right now.
Okay.
अच्छा भाई पुराने जो गाने हैं हमारे बच्चन साहब के या कोई एक गाना आपको याद है जिसपे आपने बचपन में डांस किया जैसे हमारे यहाँ होता है लेडी संगीत पे बड़ा परफॉर्म करते हैं हम जैसे मेरी अपनी शादी हुई तो हम खुद ही डांस करेंगे तो एक कोई गाना अगर आपको याद आता है इफ यू नॉस्टैल्जिक अबाउट एनी सॉन्ग बच्चन साहब का कोई
मुझे बच्चन साहब के बहुत गाने याद है यार मेरा एक फेवरेट है जुम्मा चुम्मा
नारे या जुम्मा मेरी जाने मन तो कैन बी
करेक्ट
कैन बी सिंग और
नहीं
if I sing and you can dance.
गाने होता
so can you dance for all these jummas
for their chummas
for all the jummas
ओए दूसरा गाना बजा दे
कोई ना जाने कित्थों आया है तू सबदे दिलों विच होगी कुकुरुकू कोई ना जाने कित्थों आया है
So this is what I was doing in the song.
दिलों विच होगी कुकुरुकू
ਇੰਨਾ ਸੋਹਣਾ ਇੰਨਾ ਕੂਲ ਮੁੰਡਾ ਇੰਨਾ ਵੰਡਰਫੁਲ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਵੇਖੇ ਜੇ ਕੁੜੀਆਂ ਤੋਂ ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਓ ਮਾਈ ਗॉड ਓ ਮਾਈ ਗॉड ਹਾਂ ਮੁੰਡਾ ਸਭ में ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਬੈਸਟ ਮੁੰਡਾ ਬੈਟਰ ਦੈਨ ਦੀ ਰੈਸ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਵੇਖੇ ਜੇ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਤੋਂ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਓ ਮਾਈ ਗॉड ਉਹ ਸੀਨਾ ਤੇ ਬਿਸਕੁੱਟਦਾ ਉਹ ਮੁੰਡਾ ਤੇ ਫੁੱਟਦਾ ਉਹ ਧੀਰੇ ਧੀਰੇ ਕਰਦਾ ਧਮਾਲ ਸੋ ਉਹ ਮੁੰਡਾ ਟੁਕੜੇ ਕਮਾਲਦਾ ਉਹ ਮੁੰਡਾ ਟੁਕੜੇ ਕਮਾਲਦਾ ਉਹ ਬੰਦੋ ਮੇ ਬੰਦਾ ਪਰਫੈਕਟ ਬੇਮਿਸਾਲ ਦਾ ਟੁਕੜੇ ਕਮਾਲਦਾ ਉਹ ਮੁੰਡਾ ਟੁਕੜੇ ਕਮਾਲਦਾ ਉਹ ਮੁੰਡਾ ਟੁਕੜੇ ਕਮਾਲਦਾ ਉਹ ਕੁੜੀਆਂ ਤੇ ਹੋ ਜਾਏ ਇਫੈਕਟ ਉਹਦੀ ਕਰਦਾ ਟੁਕੜੇ ਕਮਾਲਦਾ
And from all the girls, I'll say,
We love you, Siddharth!
All right, guys. So
भाई एक सजेशन है कपड़े
हाँ।
उठाओ और हमने सुरंग बना रखी है सुरंग में से निकलना भी कैसे जहां से ही जाओगे ना लोग वहां पे मिल सकते हैं आपको बाहर
Lovely.
तो सुरंग में से निकल जाओ
Are you feeling hot underneath
yes,
that,
I'm totally
Siddharth?
feeling hot in this
Take it off!
energetic and exciting auditorium. दिल्ली की गर्मी मुझे लग गई है अभी. But I think, guys, it's time to leave. And as much as I don't want to, sadly, ये मेरा घर है. This is my hometown, and I would love to stay here, but I can't. Thank you, guys. Thank you, ladies. Love you all, and I will see you soon for sure. This is my house, all right?
Siddharth bhai, you're signed. All right.
Oh. All right, so which one of you won these signed DVDs?
लड़के को मिली सिद्धार्थ की पप्पी. Should be a girl now this time, yeah.
All right. Thank you, Delhi. Your mind rocks. You guys rock. Don't fucking forget that. And love you guys. Bye.
Flying kiss दे सकते हो. Flying kiss आप दे सकती हैं. Flying kiss. Girls are like. अभी ना जाओ छोड़कर कि दिल अभी भरा नहीं. But we have to go and we'll call him again. We have a lot of events. We'll call him again. And it was pleasure having Siddharth.
A big round of applause, people.
Bomb of
Come on,
energy.
house popping, house popping. Can I please call upon Mr.
And Siddharth is the only one who's got standing ovation throughout the session.
All right, if okay, so there's no space for anyone to come up. If Kali can hand over a small token of our appreciation.
सर सोनम जी के सेशन में आए थे ऊपर. सिद्धार्थ जी के सेशन में ऊपर नहीं आ रहे वहाँ.
There's no space. There's no space. But thank you, Siddharth. Thank you.
Thank you, guys.
People,
Thank you, sir.
you've got to give a big round of applause.
And as much as I don't want to leave, you guys are just making it very difficult for me to leave. But I have to. So I'll see you guys soon. As I said again, you guys rock. Thank you, Delhi, once again.
Thank you.
Love you all and see you next year. All right?